I'm Benji Fox, I'm the AV Events Manager at the Royal Academy of Arts in London, and we're in the new Benjamin West Lecture Theatre. It's a multi-format space, so we use DPA products in different ways. We have gooseneck microphones on our lectern for lectures. We also have panel discussions, so we use belt packs and lapel microphones, and more recently we've introduced the DPA 6066 head-worn microphones. We use two 4018s on our lectern, and we know that any speaker going up to the lectern, even if they move slightly off axis, will be heard by the audience. An external contractor who came in brought in a bunch of 4080s. In fact, we had 20 lapels, and he just managed to get really great results, and I couldn't understand why. And it turned out it was the DPA 4080s. So that was a big influence on me trying them, and then comparing them with other capsules, they just got the best results. When we have panel discussions up to 6 people, we tend to use the DPA 6066s, but also we film in the theatre quite often and live stream, so we use them for that purpose as well. In the ceiling we have installed on a winch a 4098 array. It's dual purpose. We use it A, for a send to our assisted hearing system, and B, we use for a nice stereo pickup for our podcasting. We have lots of speeches in the galleries, the main galleries here and across site, and so we tend to use DPA where we can.